What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to go over some of the mods and accessories that I have installed on my Cfmoto 450Ss. And I did put links in the description below for the items that I mentioned, so if you want to pick them up for your own bike, you can click on the affiliate link and get them for your own. First up is the CFMOTO USB Power Ports. This is actually specific to the Cfmoto 450Ss motorcycle. I don't know if it's plug and play on any of their other models, but it does work on the Cfmoto 450Ss and 450SR. So from the factory, the Cfmoto 450Ss comes with a plate located right here, and it's easy to remove. You just pry it out, and behind the plate are all of the connections you need to plug in this USB power port. Once you purchase the power port, all you have to do is remove the original plate, plug this into the wire behind there, and then pop this in, and you're good to go with two powered USB ports. I think a lot of you guys are going to like this next accessory. It is the windscreen. So this is an aftermarket windscreen, and I actually purchased the clear windscreen and then I wrapped it with VViViD Hex tint. So that's why it's tinted and has that hex design. I think it looks pretty awesome. The other cool thing about the hex wrap is that it doesn't show scratches. So if you have like a clear windscreen, you'll know what I'm talking about. They seem to show a lot of scratches, and this kind of eliminates all that. So I did put links in the description for the windscreen that I purchased and also the VViViD Hex tint if you want to get them for your own bike. Check out this awesome custom seat that I got. Nice and soft for my tush as I'm riding. I didn't like the stretchy material that the factory cover had, so I found this seat on AliExpress. I think it looks better. It's a bit thicker and it's more comfortable, and it just looks a whole lot better. So I'm pretty happy with this seat. I think it looks awesome. It's super comfortable. It is not overly expensive. I mean, it's like maybe 50 bucks to get a new comfortable seat for your Cfmoto 450Ss motorcycle. Well worth it, and it looks so much better too. I know if I don't mention it in this video, a lot of you guys are going to ask me about my tank pad. So I did get that from RevZilla.com. It is a Puig. I didn't put a link in the description below, but just go to RevZilla.com. You can find one for your own bike. I already did a full install video on my fender eliminator or tie detail, whatever you want to call it, but I wanted to show you what it looks like on the bike. Very inexpensive mod that I got from AliExpress. Cost was only about $30 for the fender eliminator, and it was super simple to install. I also put aftermarket LED sequential turn signals. They are a separate product, but I did put links to both the fender eliminator and the sequential turn signals in the description below. So there's what the turn signals look like. Pretty good quality. They look really good on the bike. I'm going to give you an overview of what the bike looks like without that big factory fender on it, and with the tie detail or fender eliminator installed. I think it makes the bike look a lot better. I also did a video on the full install of my KO Lightning slip-on exhaust. If you watch that video, you'll see that I had to put other springs on. They're holding up pretty good. I painted my pipes black and everything matches really well. So I'm super happy with that. There really isn't a lot of exhaust options for the Cfmoto 450Ss at the time that I did this video. But this KO Lightning is a good quality exhaust. It sounds good. I'm super happy with it. I mean, if a brand name came out right now, I probably would not jump on getting it because I'm happy with this. And hopefully I stay happy with it long into the future. A little mod here, but it'll come in handy, are the Cfmoto swing arm spools. So that'll work really well when I want to lift up my bike and I want to work on doing oil changes, oil filter changes. I want to work on the chain, clean the chain, tighten the chain, adjust the chain. I am going to be replacing my tires, so it'll be good to lift the bike to get the rear wheel up. So very inexpensive. I recommend everybody get some spools for their bike. They look good. You can get them in different colors. I just chose silver because I thought it kind of matches everything. The thing that's going to give your bike the most horsepower, the best handling. Hands down, this is probably the most important mod you're going to want for horsepower, handling, and overall performance of your bike, and that is the Cfmoto valve stem caps. So I wouldn't be surprised if there's somebody who's going to leave a comment on this video that's going to say, how much horsepower did those valve stem caps actually give your bike? Kind of reminds me of the people that put a slip-on exhaust on and they say, I saved so much weight, it changed the whole dynamic of the bike. It really didn't. Just like the valve stem caps aren't going to do any difference. But anyway, hopefully you guys like my content. You like this video, give me a thumbs up. And share this video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I appreciate it. And thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.